Hello. I kind of forgot to put this in the original part 3, but y'all probably already saw the video of this crossing, but this is Pinchback Road. We are just west of Langham Road, CPL F282, right down that way there. In fact, they're adding they call it a come out signal right there for if they need to come out on the line. Tells them if it's actually block is clear or not. If I could zoom back out. But they have replaced the signals here at Pinchback Road. This is, well, I call it Pinchback Road number 1. This is on the Houston sub because there's also number 2 over there where the signal guy is at doing tests. But it's a typical modern Union Pacific installation with Siemens everything, GE LEDs, NEG bells. Their new stainless steel control houses now. They're also now adding, I'm told these are going to be some kind of fuel cell generators. Generate DC power to charge the batteries during a prolonged power outage. But both of these were Southern Pacific era Western Coal and Haze signals before. And we're on that old house, which is still appears to be turned on. For some reason, I guess they're waiting to turn it off for whatever reason. But as far as I know, they're not doing anything at Pinchback number 2, at least not yet. But we shall see. And I'm also going to try to head to another nearby control point, CPH 455, East End Elizabeth. So I'll be back in just a second there. Alright, now at CPH 455 East End Elizabeth on the Beaumont sub, where they are apparently going to do some updates here, mainly on, at the moment it mainly appears to be the trailing signals for eastbound traffic. They've already put up 2 new masts. They are changing them to LED signal. Actually, they put up only 1. That was a single-headed signal before. It just had one. It was just the top head. But now they're adding a bottom one. I can't tell if it's going to use the lunar aspect for restricting or not. It might. Considering this is still an older control point, they might still use it like they do at West End Elizabeth. They changed that to LED a few years ago and kept the lunar white aspect for the restricting indication going into the siding like they still have here on these incandescent signals. Those are clearly still the old signal heads with incandescent light bulbs rather than LEDs. But they appear to be keeping it on, I can't tell, I think they swapped out the signal heads on the main track. But they're probably doing that in anticipation of also redoing things at Langham Road, LF282, right as you come off the Beaumont sub. But this old signal house is clearly staying. I'm trying to think of something else. Looks like they put in a new shunt enclosure, stainless steel, for the separation of the signal blocks. But I think that's going to be it for part, I think this is 3.5, considering I didn't put it in the original, so. Alright, see you guys next time.